Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to factory reset Windows computer. After I did this, I overwrote the deleted data and donated the laptop computer to charity. Go down and click on the Start button. Then go up to and click on Control Panel. And up near the top, under System and Security, click Backup Your Computer. And all the way down the bottom, click on Recover System Settings on your computer. Then up near the middle, click on Advanced Recovery Methods. Now we're going to do a factory reset, so click on the second one, Return your computer to factory condition. Now I've already backed up this computer to get all the data. If you haven't done it, you should, and then click on Skip. Now I had to save this video while the computer was still working, and after that I did a restart. What happens next depends if your computer is a laptop or a desktop or what version of Windows you're running. My computer was very slow and I just followed the prompts to do various things, so I had to be around. Even though this took 2 hours, I had to keep checking on it to follow the next prompt. If you need help, I suggest you have a look at YouTube for how to factory reset your particular laptop or desktop computer. Because I didn't know who the new user would be, I didn't set a password on this computer, so when it booted it went directly to the desktop, showing the original blue wallpaper and the recycle bin, with no other icons because all the other programs had been deleted. If the new owner wishes to add a password, they can refer to my video, How to Change Windows Login Password, which is online on YouTube. And because all the programs had been deleted but not overwritten, I used this DOS program, How to Overwrite Deleted Data using DOS. This and How to Factory Reset Windows Computer are all part of a suite called How to Securely Prepare Your Computer for Disposal. And in the description under these online videos are YouTube links to related computer tutorials. Bye for now.